again. I guess we're anticipating a few winter storms this weekend. So we're getting geared up. We're gonna go out to Sand Hollow and pick the Nodwell up. Make sure she's fueled and ready to go. Get her all greased. Check/change the oil, knock out the air filters, all that good stuff that you're supposed to do when you get a machine ready to go in the winter. Maybe even put some lights on that. I still don't have any lights on the old Nodwell, so we're gonna see what we can do to put a light bar on that thing, and we'll see what's happening, and we will take you along for the ride. Well, that wasn't nearly as scary unloading as the first time I unloaded that old girl. She's bigger than she looks. Show you what I got going on here. Think I need a 5-ton tire on this little buggy? I don't. Got a roller on the back. So there's the Nodwell. It's pretty basic, not much to it. Part of the maintenance on this old girl is we go through and grease all these hubs. We check out the rear differential, make sure it's full of mineral 90, and Colby's down in there. Grease the U-joint. Got to hook the vent back up, make sure she's flowing good air out of that rear end. She makes a little heat, so just kind of see it back in there. Got the brake cylinders hanging there. Got the old pintle hitch for the if this has water in it. Looks like mineral 90.
Little water in it. Pour the good stuff off the top.
Throw it all in the dumpster. Should have known better. I guess it's going in, ain't it?
Seems to be. Not overflowing on the top.
Well, that'll give us a good rinse.
If I'd hold that phone still.
It's like hitting a moving target. Guess I ought to call and get another bucket of that, hadn't I?
Yeah, I'd see where that puts us. Just so we don't overflow.
I got that.
I take it these giant plugs back here must be your brake adjustment or brake inspection deals.
Yeah. Want some more?
Yeah, let's go some more.
Water or oil?
Yes.
Because I'm about down to the water. I think that's ought to be enough anyways, because so if you guys haven't noticed, we like weird machines around here. You see, we got all kinds of weird forklifts, and here's another one. This is a little for hauling bees. It's got a Clark boom on a little Bobcat, and then Corey built this big old swing arm on the back. What do you say?
Pretty sexy.
Pretty sexy, lots of work. Let's go look at another weird machine over here. Come here. We like the weird ones. There's an old swinger. It's got 1350/15 tires that are solid rubber. And then look at this little weird thing. This is a Whitman power a Whitman power buggy. A Whitman power buggy. It saves your back. That old girl still runs, believe it or not.
Yeah.
Hot tamale. Get the old beast. Get the oil changed in her. Is there any junk in it?
Very little.
Oh, here we go. 21515.
Yeah, baby.
It's been worked a little. We had the UTV takeover, and we had the HCR rally, and we had Trail Hero, and we had the Winter 4x4 Jamboree, so this baby's had a little bit of workout.